I'm used to using these copper washers when I do an oil change. Apparently, that is not always the best way to do it. I learned that. It was kind of embarrassing. My kid came over to get her oil changed. She never visits me anymore. And I didn't have any of these bonded copper washers, or bonded washers, because I'm used to using the copper ones. And she got an oil leak. So we grabbed some of these. Hey, it's Tom's World. We're just living in it. Let's take a look here. This one just seemed like the most extensive kit I could find. 6mm up to 33. I mean, I assume this will cover everything, even if we have a tiny little, but we wouldn't. But look, I mean, that's a great little seal. Let's look at the bigger one so we can see some detail here. But yeah, nice little lip to it to catch that oil plug or bolt or whatever you want to call it. Plenty thick enough. Yeah, so this just seems like a great kit. Every size you could ever need. I mean, I don't even know the last time I saw an oil plug that big. I think the one on my tractor is this guy or this guy. And then my kid's Audi is this one, I believe. Anyway, problem solved. No more oil leak, but good grief. I just felt like a real Nimrod not having these laying around. So there's no excuse just to buy this, not to buy this kit. It's got them all.